Welcome to the Century School. The Century School Garonda is a temple of learning, established at 10 acres of paradise to prove your child an ample opportunity to develop and progress in a most modern and professional way. It presents an ideal and idyllic atmosphere for the pursuit of knowledge and multifaceted growth of the personality of your child. The school, situated on National Highway, is about 20 kilometers from Karnal and almost the same distance from Panipat. It is catering the educational needs of the neighboring areas. It is a boon in disguise. Art and craft room, music and dance room, library and reading room, computer lab with latest technologies, playground with facilities for all major games and sports, adequate facilities for a variety of co-curricular activities, well-established and efficient administrative backup, an activity-cum-classroom fitted with TV, VCR, audio systems, projector and material required for performing activities to introduce any concept. School is having sterling personal qualities like self-discipline, integrity, honesty and loyalty. The school has its own fleet of buses which ply in almost every direction of the town and its adjoining areas. A suitable communication system GPRS has been provided for emergency contact. The students are not allowed to go to school on their own self-driven cars, scooters, motorcycles, etc. Century School Garonda provides humane environment for the children. Well-furnished and decorated newly built activity room for tiny tots with audio-video aids. The head of the school provides a pleasant, non-threatening atmosphere and leadership in program designing.
Education is the most powerful weapon which can change the world. We at Century believe that it's the excellence which matters. Mediocrity holds no value in today's fast-changing competitive world. If you want to survive at the top of the world, you have to excel in the department in which you want to perform. We have believed that either you are the best or you are beating the best. This is the motto of the institute, and we believe that professional education has become a very important tool for anybody to succeed at top level, and this professional excellence and this professional education should also be supported by the moral education and moral values which will help the child not only to stay but stay for a very, very longer time at the top of his professional or his chosen work. This is what the Century Institute stands for: strong foundation for professional excellence.
School provides information system for parents by SMS, 100% security by CCTV cameras, big playgrounds for every sports like cricket, football, basketball, volleyball, badminton hall, skating rink for skating of international measurement, separate lab block, physics lab, biology lab, chemistry lab, etc. Teach Next interactive classrooms, English language lab to enhancing the English speaking skills. PMT, IIT and AIEEE preparation for +1 and +2 students by experts. Generator facility for 100% power backup. RO water purifier system to inculcate moral values in assembly sanskar. And for the spiritual values, plays on epic Ramayana for patriotic values, plays on important events during fight for freedom. Hostel, a home away from home. Hostel provides an atmosphere for academics, sports and moral values, which are essential parts of overall growth of a child. The school is nourishing the students of hostel with organic vegetables, fruits and milk from own dairy in the school campus. Century School, Gharanda.